Hello guys, what we want to do today is we want to learn how to remove null rows inside of a table that we have inside of Power BI, okay? So let's say that we have a table like this, for example, okay? And I have also two null rows, which I added on purpose, of course, but I want to delete them once I have imported this table inside of Power BI. So let's first of all go to Power BI, which is here, and as you can see, we have our table imported, which I already did, okay? And what we're going to have to do is to find our Power Query Editor. And to do that, we're going to find these three buttons here and click on Edit Query. And as you can see here, we have our table with the null rows, which actually appears null. And we need to find this drop-down menu in either names or either span. It works for both of them, actually. And we're going to click on Remove Empty. Now, after we're done, we can hit Close and Apply, and all the changes will be made to Power BI. So this is it. Thank you so much.